You think being a T-Rex makes you the king? Think again. Welcome to the Cretaceous period. You just died in the tutorial. Today, we play as the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Maximum power, maximum bite force. But here is the catch. Your survival rate to adulthood is only 15%. Let's see why. Level 1, the Fluffy Nugget. You were born covered in feathers and totally useless. Your HP is critical. Everything wants to eat you. Snakes, birds, even insects. Death comes from the sky. Stay hidden or become a snack. 60% of players quit here. Cold, hunger, and disease claim most of your siblings. But wait, is that mom or dad? You think you're safe now? Wrong! T-Rexes are cannibals. Adults will eat babies for a quick snack. Run! This is the Cannibal Nightmare. Trust no one. If you survive the family reunion, you reach level 2, the Teenager. At this stage, you are not a tank. You are a Ferrari. Fast, agile, and deadly. You fill a different niche. You hunt fast prey that the slow adults can't catch. But speed comes at a cost. One trip, one broken bone, and it is game over. In nature, there are no hospitals. But you are lucky. You heal. You grow. Welcome to level 3, the King. Now you are the apex predator. Nothing hunts you anymore, except living tanks. Meet the Triceratops, your food or your killer. It is a coin flip. 50% you eat, 50% you get impaled. Fight. High risk, high reward. You land a critical hit. Victory. You secured enough food for a week. Your survival probability jumps to 90%. Life is good. You are the king. Nothing can stop you now. Wait, why is the sky burning? Keep watching. A rock the size of Mount Everest is traveling at 20 kilometers per second. Target, you. The server wipe event has begun. There is no hiding. Run speed, useless. Power, useless. And just like that, the reign of dinosaurs ended. But game over for you meant a new game for us, the mammals. So, if you were a T-Rex, you had a 15% chance to reach adulthood and 0% chance to survive the meteor. Actually, some of your cousins survived and became this. Look familiar? Who should we simulate next, the Ninja Raptor or the Tank Triceratops? Vote in the comments. Subscribe for more survival odds. Thanks for watching.